take a look at it, okay?
Okay.
This is a package, okay?
Yes.
And this is a film, anti-fog film.
Anti-fog film. Yes.
You can see here.
This is a film. A blue film. Yes, you can see the details. Transparent. Blue transparent film.
It's made of the molecular structural material. Molecular structural material is waterproof and lasting and long time lasting.
Yes.
Now we will show you how to use the helmet. Please follow us, okay?
Okay. Please follow us.
Here, this helmet, very common universal helmet.
Yes.
Okay, you will see everywhere in the market.
Yes.
Now this is our film. Now we will show you how to use. Okay.
Yes.
We
First
will stick on the helmet like this. Okay, on the glass.
Okay.
Like this. Now we will show you how to stick the film, the anti-rain film on the helmet. Okay, please follow us.
Yes. First
Now
one,
we need to take this back film. Take it off.
yes.
And stick the film on the right place, okay? Okay, you can see here. Either we stick it on the right place on the helmet. Now we will take this one, the protect film, take it away.
Yes,
That is transparent. You can see here. It will give you a very clean sight when it's raining outside. Okay, when you are riding.
yes.
It helps you keep safe. Okay, keep you from the accident in the rainy day when you're riding the electric bike or motorcycle.
Yes,
You see here.
very safe.
Yes. Now we will show you how to clean your side clean when you have rain. Okay.
Okay.
Now here is some water. Some water. We will show you how. Anti-rain film. You can see here. We have stick the film on our helmet. This one. Now we will show you how it help to prevent the rain when you are riding in the rainy day. Please see clearly, okay? Can you see it clearly?
Yes.
I will show you the details. You can see here it's very clear, okay? Now here is very clear. When we stick the film, it will keep you a very clear vision. The result is very great. You can see here. You can see here the place where we have stick the film. Still the film is very clean and waterproof. You can see here. The other place you can see here, the rain, the water, we spill the water here. It's making it very firm. You can see here. You cannot see clearly, but this place where we stick our film, anti-rain film, is very clear, right? The result is very good. You can see here. I will show you again. Please see it clearly, okay? Now, so raining again, okay? Wow. It's amazing results. You can see here. still keep very clean vision. Okay, you can see here. And this anti-rain field, the price is very favorable. You could contact us for a sample for checking in your hand. Okay, it's an amazing result. Very clearly, can you see it? Very clearly.